Welcome, today I am with Huawei Nova 8i and I will show you how Face Unlock works in this device. So I'm going to make a few tries. We are going to check the speed of the recognition and also if it is reliable. So let's start. Well, let me just remove this option, slide to open, because it will just takes a little bit longer than the normal. So just go for the direct unlock, and right now let's make it one more time. Okay, so as you can see, the Face Unlock works really good. It's a little bit slower than the sensor that you can find on the right edge, but it also works not that bad. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.